Hello everyone, I want to introduce myself. My name is Putu Rayudi Aditama. My affiliation is at STEMIC Stekom Indonesia. My focus research are information technology, augmented reality, and virtual reality, and multimedia. I am so proud to part of the Icon Fed because uh, my experience to share about my research. Okay, I want to talk about uh, the topic is designing augmented reality (CB) sign language as a learning media. Introduction. Sign language is communication through hand or finger movement that form a word or sentence. In Indonesia, there are two models of sign language: CB (Indonesian Sign Language System) and Bisindo (Indonesian Sign Language). CB is used as a sign language in school, not used as a medium of daily communication. This is because the vocabulary in CB is made only by changing spoken Indonesia into sign language. The CB learning system can also be used for the general public who want to learn sign language. The problem is not being able to understand symbol and language rule. The design of sign language augmented reality application as a learning medium is expected to provide solution introducing Indonesian Sign Language System to deaf children with CB letter recognition material. This is the poster uh, about CB. Okay, the method I'm use R&D method in this research. Point one, the structure of the mindset design process start from observing problem and studying the literature to finding the right basis for designing through reference. And the two stages of the survey become input for needs analysis, regarding various things that must be considered related to the process requirement in the next step. The structure of the augmented reality framework consists of three process parts. Uh, the process one, the process of making an CB character recognition video which consistent of recognition the letters A to Z, then exporting to the Unity. Uh, Process 2, design the AR application by including the marker database and the CB video on Unity. The three process. The making of marker consists of a 2D object configuration in the form of CB letter recognition process with Vuforia. Vuforia is the database for save the marker of CB. And then result and discussion. Figure one is a use menu, the CB and about us. And figure 2 is about implementation with poster and augmented reality. Okay, design and augmented reality for CB consists of the main menu display. There are two buttons to go the CB material with augmented reality and a button about us. In the CB letter recognition menu, the process required to display sign language video by mobile. First, prepare a CB letter recognition poster, then press the CB menu on the augmented reality application. Second, point the mobile camera at the poster. In the intent letter, a video of the CB letters will appear. And testing application, test the application before testing the feasibility of the application using the black box. In black box testing, there are several methods that can be used. One of which is alpha testing. Alpha testing aims to identify and eliminate problem prior to user application. Okay, this is testing application with black box. The test number one, application installation is successful, and two, button function on the menu is successful. The three, installation of the letter CB marker is successful, and four, display video and sound is successful. Okay, testing application number two, scanning time observation are carried out to find out how fast the device can respond when the camera is looking at the marker until the AR object appears. This observation was carried out by scanning 26 CB Sheng letter marker in good lighting condition and a tilt of angle of 0 or in a straight line facing the marker as far as 20 centimeter. This is figure the um, testing the marker about 26 CB Sheng letter, and the observing the response time when scanning marker using the Xiaomi F1 marker on the letter CB. The reference time is 6.05 second. And testing number three, the third testing. In the observation, a variation of the distance was given to determine the minimum and the maximum range of the device. In scanning, a marker measured 5 and 6 centimeters. And then the result of observing that the scan distance in good lighting condition and angle of 0 or straight parallel to the right opposite the marker. Okay, the figure testing number 3. Uh, the observation of the scan distance, the CB letter, has a scanning distance. The reference marker can be scanned with a distance 5 cm to 50 centimeters. The conclusion, augmented reality application of CB Sheng language is a learning media has been successful built. The black box test results show all the feature and function of the application can run well. This supported by Unity 3D software and Vuforia, which are very good in developing AR technology. In observing the response time when scanning marker using the Xiaomi F1 marker on the letter CB, it has an average time of 6.05 seconds. The observing of the scan distance, the CB letter, has a scanning distance that the reference marker can be scanned with a distance of 5 centimeter to 50 centimeter. Marker scanning is best done in bright lighting condition, the minimum error and scan failures. Okay, thank you very much, everyone, and I want to close my presentation. Thank you very much.